2015 Chevy Tahoe LT with the 5.3 liter. This right here is whenever your tail light bulb needs to be replaced, or maybe you even need to replace your whole tail light for some reason, the tail light assembly. Either way, this will be the same procedure. So for me, my tail light bulb went out. I got the indicator on there. You could. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to replace it out. I have these bulbs right here, these 7440s LLB2s. That will be the correct bulb for your turn signal. I got a flathead, and I have a 15 star bit here. And I'll check to see if that's the right size or not when we're in there. If it's not, I'll let you guys know. So initially what we need to do is get in here and just remove this cover right here. I'm just going to use this right here, flathead, to get up in there and pop that out. It's winter time here now, so I want to be careful so I don't actually break the plastic. So get up in there. It's just little clips back there, so I was just pushing them out. As you can see, the 3 clips there, 1, 2, 3, they're still all intact. They, I believe, go into this one right here, that one right there, and that one right there. Now with that out, now you're going to take this screw out, and there should be one more down here. There it is right there. So here and here. And we'll see if the 15 is the right size. Yep, it looks like it is. And I'll loosen this one up down here too as well. All right, quickly ran and got an extension onto my bit here. That way I can just remove it the rest of the way by hand. Down here. All right, so now that we have both screws out, now we should be able to just grab this and pull it towards us and get it out. Go. All right, now that it's out, as you can see, these two right here are what was in here. And so now, if you change out your whole assembly, you just take the bulb, the whole iron how this bulb out there. We'll take this right here, like so. And then you're able to just take them out. So there's 3 bulbs total. For me, I'm doing my blinker bulb, so for that case, I'm just going to pull it out here, as you can see, and then get a new one. Put it in. You may even want to put a little dielectric grease up in there. I may do that later. I know it's winter time, just get it in there. And then at that point, put it back in there, and then just twist it to lock it into place. So, again, if you're changing out your whole assembly, just take all 4 out, and then take the old one out, and put it all into the new one. At that point, put it back in. Take the two screws. Tighten it down for good measures. Not cranking it down, just give it a little snugness. Then at that point, take these, line them back up with those 3 points. Now let's test her out. Here we go. We have our rear blinker working again. So thanks for joining, guys. If you like, hit the like button, and also please hit the subscribe button. I have a lot of other how-to videos working on my Tahoe. Thanks again.